In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add employees in the QuickBooks desktop payroll setup wizard. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to enter, and how to save a complete employee profile so payroll runs smoothly. Start by signing in to your QuickBooks account and opening Payroll. This brings you to the Payroll overview, your hub for everything related to paying your team. It's a good idea to log in with admin permissions and use a supported up-to-date browser so all payroll features load correctly. From the Payroll overview, open the Employees section. This is your employee directory where you can see who's set up and who still needs attention. To add someone new, select Add an Employee. You'll be creating a standard employee record used for payroll, taxes, and year-end forms. Begin with the basic info. Enter the employee's legal first and last name, and if you plan to invite them to self-complete portions of their profile, add a work email. Double check spelling here. The name must match their tax documents to avoid problems with filings. If the person doesn't have an email or prefers not to receive an invite, you can proceed without it and complete the profile yourself. Next, complete the employee's profile. Make sure the essential sections are filled in thoroughly and accurately. In personal info, add details like home address and date of birth so taxes calculate to the correct jurisdiction. In employment details, confirm hire date and primary work location. This affects local tax rules and reporting. Under pay, choose whether they're hourly or salary, enter the pay rate, and select the pay schedule. In tax withholding, use information from the employee's withholding forms to set federal and state preferences correctly. For payment method, choose direct deposit or paper check. If using direct deposit, you'll need verified bank information from the employee. Enter only what you've been authorized to use. Finally, in deductions and contributions, set up benefits, retirement plans, or other withholdings as applicable. Accuracy in these sections ensures paychecks and tax filings are right the first time. When the profile looks good, select Add Employee to create the record. Once all sections are completed, save the profile. Look for a confirmation or a success message and verify the new employee now appears in your employee list. If anything needs adjusting, you can reopen the profile to edit details at any time. That's it. Repeat the process for additional employees, and you're ready to run payroll with confidence.